Hi, ymarfer y dydd heddiw. Today's exercise of the day is the shoulder press, sef gwthio o'r ysgwydd. Mae'n chi sefyll efo'ch traed mor llydan a'ch wast. Hefyd, cael eich bryngyn chi yn reit meddal. So stand with your feet hip width apart, with nice soft knees. Pull your core in, tyn eich cyrraedd y bol i fewn. Gofana breichau 90 gradd. So your arms, the elbows 90 degrees. Push up above your head and bring back down to 90 degrees. Gwthio chwen eich pen, dyn o lawr i 90 gradd. I chi sy'n bach fwy profiadol, gallwch chi bach fwy difn, a gwthio fanna i fyny. Those of you a bit more experienced, you can push from below or down, above your head and back down. Okay? Hope you have a good session, and yes, diolch yn fawr i chi, hwyl, tara!
Ymarfer y dydd, exercise of the day, hip thrust. Mae'r ymarfer yma yn canolbwyntio ar cyhyraf pen ôl, glutes. This exercise concentrates on your bum muscles, your glutes. A dwi'n mynd i ddangos i chi ar y Swiss ball. I'm going to show you on the Swiss ball how to do it. Felly, da ni'n cychwyn, we're starting off, eistedd ar y bel, sit on the ball. Da ni'n cerdded ymlaen, we walk forward. Hips yn isal, hips are low. Traed y flat ar y llawr, feet flat on the floor. Da ni'n pwsio'r hips i fyny. Push our hips up. A'r sgwydd wan yn pwysio ar y bel, my shoulders rest on the ball. Cadw'r hips i fyny. Do it again, ymlaen, I've took my chin forward. Penglinia at 90 degree angle, knees in a 90 degree angle, heels flat ar y llawr, heels flat on the floor. Canolbwyntio, concentrate on the squeeze in the top. Concentrate on the squeeze at the top. Da chi hefyd yn gallu gwneud yr ymarfer yna hefo pwysa, efo bar neu dumbbell. You can also do that exercise with a bar or a dumbbell. Ond mae'n bwysig bod chi gael y techneg yn gywir gynta. It's important that you get the technique correct first. Dyna chi ymarfer y dydd. That's your exercise of the day. Hip thrust.
Ymarfer y dydd, leg raises. Workout of the day, leg raises. Then di weithio ar cyhyrau'r abdominau, sef yr abdominau is. We're going to work or target the abdominal area, but more on the lower abdominals. So, lawr at y llawr yn ar y deg, down to the floor slowly. Gorwedd yn hir ac yn syth. Rhwylio'r sgwydda nôl. Dwylo dan y pen ôl i cadw'r cefn yn cyffyrddus. So, roll your shoulders back. Legs straight, and then hands underneath your bottom to keep your back comfortable. Legs are going to start above the hips, coesa'n dechrau i'ch ben y hips, a wedyn lawr, eitha hanner ffordd, cadw'r cefn yn flat ar y llawr, dim archo'r cefn. Take the legs slowly down to the floor, keep your back flushed into the mat and try not to arch your back. And nôl i fyny, and back up. Efo'r anadlu, cynnig gwynt i fiawn yn ffordd fyny, breathe out on the way down. Breathing in, breathing out. Anadlu fiawn, anadlu allan. Dyna diwylliad tuag at 8 i 10 repetition. Ailadrodd hynny wedyn mewn 3 set. Stopio yn ganol o gael rest bach. We're going to work for 8 to 10 repetitions for 3 sets, taking a rest in between. Nes da chi'n lefel uwch, pam dim gweithio at 15 i 20 repetition i 3-4 sets. Or if you're quite advanced, why not work or increase the reps, 15 to 20 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Dwch go fo, give it a go. Mwynhewch. Enjoy.
Hi pawb, Brian Sma. Just exercise gofyn i chdi ymarfer y dydd. Dwi'n wneud speed skaters, teim dod lawr mewn lunge, chwys cefn yn dod ar draws, am i'r ochr, chwys cefn yn dod nôl ar draws. Pan ydych chi'n cyfforddus, dwi'n mynd yn cyflymach. Dych chi'n gwneud yr ymarfer yma 4 rep, fynes 60 eiliad. Hi everyone, Brian here. Just here to show you the exercise of the day. Today it's speed skaters. We're going to get into a lunge. Our back leg's going to come across. We're going to step to the side, back leg comes back over. Once we're comfortable, we're going to get a little bit faster. We'll complete this exercise 4 reps, lasting for 60 seconds.
Camwch i fyny gyda un coes ar y tro. Gallwch amrywio cam i fyny drwy camu i fyny gyda'r un coes neu bob yn ail, ond yn pwysig gwneud yr un faint ar bob ochr. So you can alternate which leg you step up with each time, but make sure you do the same amount on each side. Gwnewch yn siŵr bod y troed y cyfan yn mynd ar y step. Make sure your whole foot goes on the step. Gwnewch yn siŵr bod eich troed gyfan yn mynd ar y step. Make sure your whole foot goes on the step.